Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now the first method that we are going to use to disable this language login switcher in WordPress is by using a plugin called Disable Login Language Switcher. Now first things first, before we dive into the installation of this plugin, what you can see here is that this is a drop down using which you can basically change languages on this home on this login page. So this is basically the language switcher that we are talking about. So to install this plugin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in first. So let me just log in, and now I am going to head over to plugins and I'm going to click add new, and I'm going to search for this plugin. And you can see right over here, this is the plugin that we are talking about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click install. I'm going to click activate. Now as soon as I will activate this plugin, it will disable the language switcher on the login page. That's it, nothing else you have to do. It will automatically disable the login language switcher. It's very difficult for me to say these things, so let me just log out and show you. You can see right over here the language switcher is gone. Okay, so this is the first method. Now in case this method has worked for you, then make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications. Now the link to this plugin will be in the description box below. Now feel free to download and use this plugin. This plugin is basically available for free. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.